Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by auditing prerequisites. Check accounting, calculus, and stats gaps, then prioritize them. Once done, collect the syllabus, core textbooks, a financial calculator, and an Excel workbook. Next, schedule routine study, 30-minute daily blocks that build habit. Mix one focused problem set with one reading per session. Make sure to block distractions and use the syllabus to align study with exam dates, so your first actions immediately produce measurable progress. Now push into the complex middle. Cycle theory with worked examples and mixed practice, and use spaced repetition to retain formulas. You should build Excel models for time value and cash flow analysis, then stress test them with sensitivity runs, document every assumption. Also form a small study group and attend office hours to clarify edge cases. Practice past papers under timed conditions. This exposes weak spots and trains exam pacing, so you can improve incrementally rather than guessing at preparedness. Finish by synthesizing notes into 1 to 2 summary sheets per major topic and memorizing core formulas and decision triggers. Then simulate full exams, review every error, and convert those mistakes into targeted microdrills until accuracy improves. If you hit a plateau, isolate the problematic concept immediately. Get a tutor or ask your professor, and repeat focused examples until intuition returns. Finally, wind down with a light review the day before. Confidence matters as much as raw knowledge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.